Today I'm making Thai stir-fry red curry pork. It is rich, very fragrant and appetizing, perfect with rice. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 450 grams of pork slices. I am using pork shoulder today. 130 grams of 4 angle beans, tips removed and cut into 1-inch pieces. 200 ml of water. 80 grams of turkey berry, stem removed and washed. 150 grams of red curry paste. 25 grams of finger roots. 50 grams of yellow onion, sliced. 25 grams of cut to strips. 4 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 30 grams of basil leaf. The full list of ingredients and recipe for red curry paste are in the see more link. First, marinate the meat with 1/3 of the salt, rubbing to evenly distribute it. Sprinkle another 1/3 of the salt and continue marinating. Set it aside. Switch on the heat to medium. In a non-stick pan, add all the cooking oil. Before the oil is hot, add all the red curry paste. Continuously stir the paste until well combined with the oil, or about 3 minutes. This reduces the oil splashes as well as prevent burning of the paste. After 3 minutes, the red curry paste is very fragrant now. Add all the marinated pork. Stir until all the pork is well coated with the paste, or about 30 seconds. Then add all the yellow onion slices, pluck turkey berries, half of the finger roots, and half of the kaffir lime leaves. Stir for another 3 minutes to coat and cook all the ingredients evenly. After 3 minutes, the pork is getting cooked and the pan is quite dry now. Add 200 ml of water for gravy and stir until well combined. Add half tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Stir to mix all the ingredients evenly. Cover the pan and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent it from burning. After 10 minutes, the gravy is boiling vigorously. See, it has reduced a lot and it's not wet or dry. It's the perfect consistency. Give it a slight stir and taste. Delicious! Our Thai stir-fry red curry pork is cooked. Add all the kaffir lime leaves, red chili, and the cut 4 angle beans. Continuously stir for about 2 minutes. This will soften the angle beans for a lovely crunch. If a softer texture is preferred, stir for about 4 minutes. After 2 minutes, our stir-fry red curry dish is almost done. Add the remaining finger roots and all the basil leaf. Stir for about a minute to mix evenly. Alright, perfect. Switch off the heat and our stir-fry Thai red curry pork is ready to be served. Let's eat! Very tasty. The red curry is very fragrant and delicious, while the pork is tender and very juicy. The angle bean is just cooked, firm and has absorbed the red curry flavor. This will be perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!